coaching thought for the day. So today's thought is, research backs this up, but how you look when you enter a room or when someone enters your room tells a lot about how you're feeling, and it's going to portray that to the other person. I say this because I think when I was in the classroom teaching and I would have an administrator come in, and the administrator for, a drop-in evaluation or whatever would sit in the back of the room and just look angry the whole time. And then they would say nice things in the evaluation, but they did not look happy to be there. And so for me, I felt very much like the whole time during an evaluation I was being judged. As a coach, we're in a lot of classrooms, and it's really important that we make sure that our faces look positive, like we're happy to be there, not like we are nitpicking and judging the teachers who we are visiting. Also during meetings, and this is something that sometimes for me, I don't have a terrible resting face, but I do have a pretty non-expressive resting face. And so that's something that I really have to be aware of when I'm meeting with teachers, to make sure whether I'm meeting with them, if I'm sitting in the back of their classroom, that sort of thing. Sometimes I even will make a little note at the top of my paper, smile, just smile, just seem approachable and not intimidating to these teachers, because as kind as you are and as positive as you are with them, there's always going to be a little piece of them that feels like you were judging them whenever you were in their classroom, especially as you're building those relationships. So today's coaching thought is just be very aware of your presence and make sure that it is positive for the teachers that you are working with.